We are on our way to Skagway. What we don't know yet is that over the next 80 kilometers, we're about to drive through one of the most breathtaking stretches of scenery we've ever seen, before crossing back into the U.S. All these little islands, it looks so neat. Do not stop, avalanche, but then they have to stop. Oh, that's the Alaska sign.
You want us to stop?
No, we'll get it later.
You sure?
There's so many people there. I do, but no. Well, Alaska wanted a grandiose entrance, and this is one hell of a grandiose entrance.
So what you guys gonna end up doing? Park there, the ag is just gonna come talk to you guys real quick, okay? Okay.
I need to do a quick agriculture inspection, so I just need to see mostly what kind of foods you have. So fruits, vegetables, meats, eggs, those kind of things.
Okay. I don't get it.
Oh, I lost 2 bags. That's more of the annoyance.
Oh well, live and learn.
After that border crossing shakedown, the best plan was to find a campground and get ready for a busy day tomorrow. Okay, folks, I'm not a big one for stopping at like scenic views, but this I couldn't pass up. That is amazing. This is on our way to a campground, and I cannot pronounce it. It's DYEA, just outside of Skagway. So if you want to check it out, it's definitely worth at least this view. Before hopping on the ferry to Haines, we've got a little time to explore Skagway. And with views like this on the drive into town, we're in no hurry to get there. I missed the sign yesterday. It's a little tiny sign, but welcome to Skagway. Along with the tour buses, lots of tour buses.
And a police car.
And a police car. And lots of boats. Lots of boats. I should say cruise ships, not boats. They are much bigger than boats. Lots of cruise ships. Just like twirling that around like a baton. Now I have something very important to look up. Best cinnamon roll in Skagway. After trying that unbelievable cinnamon roll in Carcross, I am now obsessed with finding cinnamon rolls. So we are going to go into town to find the best cinnamon roll in Skagway, whether Gary likes it or not. There is a crap ton of people here.
There's a crap ton. It's a lot of people.
Wow.
In this little itty bitty town, they drop off thousands of people.
It's like a
And you
traffic
literally
jam.
gotta wait in line for everything.
But we will wait in line for some cinnamon rolls. We have our boarding passes and tickets, and we're going to be going in line right now. We're here a bit early. We're going to go ahead and head in line. No, it's a cinnamon roll. Cinnamon rolls. Does it hold up to the Carcross cinnamon roll? I'm thinking it's really good. What Carcross is. It is windy today. We are in Skagway waiting for the boat to come.
We're waiting for the ferry.
Not the boat. There she is. That's the one we're going on. This is what a small craft advisory feels like in Alaska. I swear they have different rules out here. Whew. Oh my gosh, it's getting hard to walk even out here. Sheesh. going to be getting on our way. Feel the engines starting to rev up. We try to get off the dock. I am freezing my ass off. Okay, yes, it's cold. That's a really good way to get vertigo. All right, I'm gonna try it. Ah. We made it back to the truck. We're in line to get out at Haines. That was pretty cool. I'm glad we at least got the small ferry ride in.
Yes. We're in the most picturesque area, amazing views, and I am feeling like shit. It's been 2 weeks and I still feel like crud. Poor Gare has been a champ dealing with me the whole time. But we are going to be heading into Haines today. We've got laundry to do, get some groceries, all the fun stuff. Laundry day. $4.75 a load. When in Alaska, hey, gotta have clean clothes. On the plus side, this laundromat had a coffee shop, so I could sip on a cappuccino while waiting. So we probably spent $25 on 2 weeks worth of laundry. I mean, you kind of have to expect that, I guess. Gary's going into Napa to get an extra box of Def. Feeling a little tense. Maybe it was just the fact that one of the dryers wasn't drying. It was expensive. I need to chill out, man, because it's a beautiful area, and an extra couple of bucks for laundry is not that big of a deal. I don't know why I'm obsessing. So how much was a can or $35.
$35. Bring your extra boxes of Def before you come up to Alaska, my friends. We had like 3 boxes.
Yeah.
But, you go through them fast. Okay, let me check real quick. Do not use the truck wash in Haines. It just dumps water on the top of your RV. Puppies and kittens. That's perfect. This is also part of life on the road. Not every day is epic views and perfect adventures. Sometimes it's laundry, groceries, trying to feel human again, and figuring out where in the world to dump these tanks.
He doesn't think it's working.
Okay.
He doesn't have any water and nothing either, so.
Okay. All right, well, I will try to find something else on the way.
Probably not. It's worth a shot.
With no luck finding water or a dump station in Haines, we decide to keep heading north towards Haines Junction. but this cold is still hanging on. So when I find an early place to stop for the night, we decide not to push it. Okay, you want to go to the other way? There are a ton of folks out here with cars. This is not private. This is National Forest land. It's really funny. We find the best spot only because I needed a nap. Tomorrow, we head back into the Yukon and into one of the roughest stretches so far, but we'll save that for next week. Until then, thanks for coming along. Leave every place you visit a little better, and we'll see you on the next trail.